Is GTA 5 not launching from the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on your PC? You click play and nothing happens. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you all the working fixes step by step. Watch till the end. The final method is the real game changer. Let's start simple. Restart your PC and the Xbox app. Then right-click the Xbox app and select Run as Administrator. This gives it the necessary permissions to launch GTA 5 properly. Many people overlook this, but it often solves the problem instantly. Next, open Microsoft Store and check for updates. Click your profile greater than downloads and updates greater than get updates. Make sure both GTA 5 and gaming services are up to date. Outdated store components often block games from launching. Now go to Settings greater than apps greater than installed apps. Find gaming services. Click the three dots greater than advanced options greater than repair. If that doesn't work, choose reset. This step fixes most broken installations and launch errors linked to the Microsoft Store. Still not working? Open PowerShell as administrator and run this command. PowerShell copy, edit, get-appxpackage Microsoft, gaming services, remove-AppxPackage, allusers. Then restart your PC. Open the Xbox app, and it'll prompt you to reinstall gaming services. Do it often fixes launch failures completely. Head to C, Users, Your Name, App Data, Local, Packages, and delete the temporary GTA 5 folders. Corrupted cache files can prevent the game from loading. Don't worry, it won't delete your game data. Then relaunch the Xbox app and try running GTA 5 again. Make sure you're logged into the same Microsoft account across Xbox app, Microsoft Store, and Windows. If there's a mismatch, the app may block game launches. Also, go to Windows settings greater than gaming greater than Xbox services and confirm everything is running. Last resort, reinstall the Xbox app and GTA 5. Also make sure your Windows is updated to the latest version. This clears out any deep-rooted file issues. If this helped, smash that like button, drop your specs in the comments, and subscribe for more fixes.